Welcome to aminacademy.com in IB Diploma Mathematics regarding geometric operation with vectors. First, we'll discuss about vector addition. Suppose we have two vectors AB plus BC. We have to write the resultant vector is the starting point of A of first vector and end point of the second vector C. Therefore, you can say AB plus BC is AC. Next one, PQ plus QR. What is it? Answer is first point is P and last point is R. PR like. Now, here two vectors having different direction and different magnitude is given. How to add those vectors? Suppose you have to add this first vector with second vector. So you have to move this vector join them, then this that is a final vector is here. This is let it be vector A, this vector B. Then these two things from here to here vector is A plus B. Vector A plus vector B. Like this here. Now represent this one is the point A, B. That is vector. This line represent vector AB. Now you have to add this vector AB to this red vector. So you have to connect this, and the final vector is look at here. So this point is C, vector AB. This is vector BC. Then joined together is a starting point with end point is vector AC. Means we can say vector AB plus vector BC is equal to vector AC. Next point. These are two vectors. How to represent the addition? Suppose this red vector is first vector, the green is the second one. How to add them? Just look at here. Join. We have to move parallelly to this end point. Then join them with starting with end point. Here, suppose this vector is x vector. Suppose this is y vector. Then this gives x vector plus y vector. That means this before that before this vector is separated and we join them in a triangular manner. Here, look at here. These represent two vectors, but it is parallel. So the second vector is added to the first green vector is like, look at here. So this vector is, suppose this is vector A, this vector B is vector A plus, this is a vector A plus B with same directions. Now, look at next one. Will here in generally vector addition is making a triangle. So this is O A B. This is vector A. AB is vector B. Then OB is vector A plus B. Therefore, you can write A vector A plus vector B is OB vector. Then generally you can write vector OA plus vector AB is vector equal to vector OB. That is starting point with first point vector is A. From that point to another point towards another point is vector B. Then where we started, start them, and where we finished and finish those lines here. These are vector addition. Now further, suppose you are having this figure. Look. Here the points, endpoints are A, B, C, D, E. Here, what is BC plus CA? BC is the here first vector and CA is the second vector. CA is second vector, which is equal to BC plus CA is equal to BA, because BC starting point is B and end point is A, so equal to BA. Now, what is AE plus ED? AE plus ED in this figure. Look at here. AE is vector direction is like, ED is here. So AD is, look at here, starting with A, that is AE, then end with AD, then it gives AD. So it is equal to AD. Now, these are like this concept, you have to draw a resultant vectors. Next, we'll do the zero vector. What is zero vector? Here, zero vector is vector length. A zero vector is with length is 0. That means magnitude is 0. Therefore, we can say vector A plus negative of that vector A gives 0 vector. So any vector is added with its negative vector, it gives 0 vector. Now vector subtraction. Suppose, look at here. Here one vector is like, let it be vector A, and here vector B. How to subtract this two vector? Means subtraction of this vector is A minus vector A minus vector B is nothing but vector A, then addition of the negative vector of B. So here, which means vector A we have to draw a same direction and parallel to that vector. That means look at here, this vector A, and here this is a vector A. Then we have to draw vector B in negative direction. This is where, here suppose this arrow is here, the same parallel, and you have to draw vector B, that is vector negative vector B, because this is a positive vector B, the same parallel and same magnitude in this direction, opposite direction is vector B. Now this join them, those points joined here. This vector represented by vector A minus vector B. Since this addition of vector A of minus vector B, this is a vector A minus B. That means, look at here, this vector B is actually like this. This is vector B. This is vector B. This is a negative vector B. So if two vector is subtracted, then you have to draw a first vector and draw a opposite direction with the same magnitude. You have to draw this vector, then join them. We have subtraction of those vectors, that is vector A minus vector B. One more example, look at here. So this one vector, then second vector, this, suppose let it be, this vector is P, this vector is Q. How to subtract those vectors? That means we have to, this vector Q is this direction, then we have to draw that opposite direction of this vector Q. Look at here. This is positive q. This is negative q now. Then if you join this to this, it gives p minus q. This vector p minus q. It's easier. That is, one vector is given, negative of that vector is, you have to change the arrow direction and with same magnitude. Then join from initial point of this first vector and join the final point of the negative of this vector. Use subtraction of those vectors. Here, for one more example, vector AB minus vector CB is how to do this, nothing but vector AB plus the negative vector of CB, which means vector AB then plus negative vector CB can be written as vector BC. Change the position of letters. That is, here CB, we have to write BC. Then look at here, this is normal addition. What is that? We call AB plus BC is vector AC. This is, therefore, we can say vector AB minus vector CB is equal to vector AC. One more, vector AC plus minus vector BC minus vector DB. How to write this one? Look at here. This vector AC, the same direction. Here BC negative, so we have to change the direction with positive CB. Here also negative vector DB, so it becomes plus BD. So AC plus CB is AB and with BD, which equal AB plus BD is AD. Here this is vector AC, then vector CB, vector BD, this vector BD, then this final result, that is resultant, is starting with endpoints. So now vector AC plus CB plus BD is equal to vector AD. That means here our given thing is AC, vector AC minus BC minus DB. So we wrote AC as it is. Instead of minus vector BC, we are writing vector CB. Change the letters. And minus DB, put positive and interchange the two letters BD. Then you are doing normally addition of those vectors. Then we got the result. So far we discussed about geometry of vector, that is addition and subtraction of vectors with some examples. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.